You guys go for
Right
it.
your way, Tyler?
If it's in this general direction, yes, I got it.
Okay, well, Greg and I got the iPhone on lock
Alright.
here.
We should,
Hey, I got my other tripod, if you want to get your other camera.
Definitely was.
Hello? Like, when this boat comes through, look at these, get the flags on video, see how bad they're.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's a good gauge of.
Right on.
Although I'm gonna have to stop recording so I can check the radar. I mean, I can't not.
Yeah,
see
I'm going to do
where
it right now. To be
I mean,
honest.
it's really, I'm gonna be able to record. I'm gonna get lightning as it passes. This is actually perfect management. This is because the winds will still be coming in here.
We're in Alton, I think.
No, we're in Wood River.
Yeah.
Wood River.
It's coming, guys. It's really
Oh
close.
my goodness! Right, come right for us, huh?
We're dead in the center of this.
See, you're welcome.
Okay.
I mean, thank you for picking me up and whatnot. But
I can put it on my phone.
Probably a better
5 minutes.
If
that?
It's
Yeah.
a real calm. It's starting to calm down a bit. And
Pretty
then,
calm, Tyler.
that second tornado,
Okay.
the second tornado warning is actually.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Tornado on the ground.
No, we're at.
That's what my dad saw on the news.
For real? Yeah.
We're at.
We're if
Okay,
it's
bye.
anywhere, it's got to be here.
Alright, you guys go scouts. I'm not walking.
I can't.
I'm not walking.
Will my iPhone not get wet here? You think? Or
Put it in my back pocket.
can you do
That's
that?
the safety that I've got.
I appreciate
I'll
it
offer-
because
I'll offer you
this
that
is
safety.
gonna get wet. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I'm gonna go check something out.
Alright, we'll be right here. If you guys see anything, let us know.
Yeah, I ain't.
I'm not going out there with the tripod.
Pay attention to them flags. If the
I
wind
know.
shifts, we're
Yeah.
screwed.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's coming right at us. See that?
Yeah, I'm holding on to my not going anywhere. Yeah, we are. We are definitely right where we
The lightning is quick. Over that.
I don't know, I'd say this storm is definitely most danger I've ever put myself in.
They're not just good about standing in a tornado warning. Especially when it's coming right at
I'm
you.
cool up here because it's not too fierce. I'm not taking this out there unless I got a confirmed tornado. Because that lightning will light that sucker up if there's a tornado.
Some heavy rain.
Good job.
I think we got a shelter somewhere right here.
The wind is taking a slight shift and intensifying it greatly right now. Holy cow! Holy shit. Oh my god! They were in it.
Hey, if anything, I didn't want to get blown off the roof. 100 mile.
We lay down right here.